Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add location on your Twitter profile. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add location on Twitter profile, browse x.com and click on profile icon on left pane and then click on edit profile. Now scroll down. Here you will find location. Just type your location here. I am typing Dhaka, Bangladesh, and keep it in your mind that you can add your location within 30 characters. Now click on save and look, the location is set on my Twitter profile. This is the easiest way to add location on Twitter profile. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.